2009 changes. The following changes to the alternative minimum tax went into effect for 2009. AMT exemption amount increased. The AMT exemption amount has increased to $46,700, $70,950 if married filing jointly or qualifying widower, $35,475 if married filing separately. AMT exemption amount for a child increased. The AMT exemption amount for a child whose unearned income is taxed at the parent's tax rate has increased to $6,700. Qualified motor vehicle tax allowed against AMT. If you claim the standard deduction for the regular tax and it includes any state or local sales or excise tax on purchases of a qualified motor vehicle, that tax is also allowed as a deduction for the alternative minimum tax. Tax-exempt interest on specified private activity bonds issued in 2009 or 2010 are exempt from AMT. Tax-exempt interest on specified private activity bonds issued in 2009 or 2010 is not an item of tax preference and therefore is not subject to the AMT. A refunding bond is treated as issued on the date of the issuance of the refunded bond, or in the case of a series of refundings, the original bond. However, tax-exempt interest on a specified private activity bond issued in 2009 or 2010 to currently refund a private activity bond issued after 2003 and before 2009 is not an item of tax preference.